Hello students, today we are discussing about classification of elements, the periodic table. Classification of elements, the periodic table. What is mean by classification? Classification means the systematic arrangement in groups based on their shared qualities is known as classification. What is the meaning of classification? Means the systematic arrangement in groups based on their shared qualities is known as classification. Next, what is the meaning of elements? Means elements are the basic units of all types of matter is known as elements. Elements are the basic units of all types of matter. It is said to be elements. The classification of elements will takes place in the periodic table. The classification of elements takes place in the periodic table. What is mean by periodic table? Periodic table is a table which consists of 118 elements in the chemistry. What is mean by periodic? What is mean by periodic means appearing at regular intervals. It is said to be periodic. Appearing at regular intervals, it is said to be periodic. For example, take one example. Your favorite TV shows or serials will come on same time every day. Yes or no? Your favorite TV shows or serials come same time every day. Or another one example. Take in our schools, bell rings same time every day. Yes or no? Bell rings same time every day. This above two examples, we observe that regular intervals of time will be appearing. Here also, in the periodic table, when we observe a particular group of elements, we observe the similarities from one element to another one element. So, this in this periodic table, we observe that. Next, in the periodic table, why do we need to classify the elements? Means here we observe when we go to the market and medical shop, we observe that the medicines are arranged in a specific manner. Yes or no? Based on their manufacturing companies or alphabetical order. And when we ask a specific type of medicine to the shopkeeper, he went and pick up easily. He doesn't face any difficulties to pick up it, and he does not remember all the medicines what he has. But when how it is possible means the medicines are arranged in a specific manner. So that's why it is possible easily pick up it. Here also the number of elements are there. Till today we know 114 elements, so which are arranged in a specific table, that it is said to be periodic table. In 1800 we know only 31 elements. In 1865 till 1865 we know the 65 elements. The number of identified elements will be doubled till 1865. Till today we know 114 elements. Remaining 4 elements are under the process of discovering. Here, first the scientist Davarnir tried to classify the elements based on their properties. He proposed a law. It is said to be Davarnir law of triads. Davarnir proposed a law. It is said to be law of triads. Here, this Davarnir law of triads says that. What says that means here the atomic mass of the middle element. The atomic mass of the middle element is average of first and third element. First we take a group of 3 elements. We take a group of 3 elements and arrange them in a increasing order of their atomic numbers. We take a group of 3 elements. We take a group of 3 elements and they arranged in a specific increasing order of their atomic numbers, and this last states that the atomic mass of the middle element is average of first and third element. It is said to be Davarnir law of triad. For example, here see lithium, sodium, potassium. This is a group of 3 elements. How many elements are there? 3 elements are there. it is taken as one example. Here, the below the numbers which indicates the atomic numbers of the elements. Atomic numbers always write the left side of the subscript of the symbol. Atomic numbers must write subscript of the symbol, and atomic mass number must be write the superscript of the symbol. Okay. Here, atomic mass of the lithium is 7, atomic number is 3, sodium atomic number is 11, atomic mass number is 23, potassium atomic number is 19, and atomic mass number is 39. Here, what is the atomic mass number of sodium? Mass number of sodium 23. What this Dabernois law of triads states that atomic mass of the middle element is average of first element and third element. What is we can do? Average means sum of observations by number of observations. Here, atomic mass of the lithium is 7, atomic mass of the potassium is 39, average by 2 is equal to 46 by 2 is equal to 23, that is equal to sodium. This is said to be Dabernois law of triad. Another one example, you observe calcium, strontium, barium. Here, calcium atomic number is 20, strontium 38, barium 56. Here, atomic mass of the calcium is 40, atomic mass of the barium is 137. Here, 40 by 137, 177 by 2 to 88. That means it is equal to strontium. This is said to be Dabernois law of triads.